So you're wondering how to delete a post or reel here in Instagram. Let's show you how. So from the main page here in Instagram, we're going to tap on our profile picture in the bottom right-hand corner. And then on the next page in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see the three lines or the hamburger menu. You can tap on that. This will load up a settings and activities menu. Right here, you'll see an option that says your activity right under how you use Instagram. You can tap on that. And then scroll down and you'll see the options here, content you shared, and there's posts and reels. So select either posts or reels for the content you want to delete. We'll tap on posts and this will show you all of your posts, and you can go through here and find the one you'd like to delete. If I want to delete this one here, this picture here at the bottom, we'll just hold down our finger on it and you'll see there's a little check mark in there. And at the bottom it says delete. We can go ahead and hit delete. It says delete this post. Are you sure you want to delete this post? You can confirm that and just hit delete, and it's going to delete that post here from Instagram. And it's really that simple to delete posts or reels here in Instagram.